Beer Champ Barbecuers, today we're cooking up a cow powder ribeye on the Weber Kettle 26. Oh, hell yeah! Oh, hell yeah! Here we go. Uncle Steve Shake cow powder on a cowboy ribeye. Oh, hell yeah! You can't go wrong. Check this out. We're using a griddle on the Weber Kettle 26. Check this out. We're ready to sear this sucker. We're gonna go about a minute, turn it, then another minute, flip it, another minute, turn it, 4-minute steak. Oh, hell yeah. Alright, set your beer timers. Oh, hell yeah. One minute, and then they're going to turn it on the other side of that griddle to get those nice sear marks. Where are they? There they are. Right there. Almost. Because we want some badass grill marks. Oh, hell yeah. That Uncle Steve Shake cow powder, oh, let me tell you what, that is #1 winner SPG. Oh, hell yeah. That granulated type of rub for beef, phenomenal. One more minute, and then we're gonna flip that sucker over and do the same thing. Oh, hell. Oh, boom! That's what you're looking for, folks. Oh, hell yes. So 2 minutes each side, basically. Pull that sucker, let it rest 10 minutes, and then cut into awesome, rare medium almost. Oh, hell yeah. Oh yeah! Boys, girls, this is rocking. Let me tell you what, I just licked my fingertips and oh, that competition cow powder from Uncle Steve Oh, go get yourself some. Oh, hell yeah. You won't be disappointed. This smells amazing. Let's get a bite. Oh, hell yeah. And an onion ring from Nathan's. And I fried up some onions on that griddle just prior to slapping that steak down. Oh, hell yeah. That's the way to do it. You can't go wrong. And check this rare ribeye, cowboy ribeye with competition cow powder from Uncle Steve's Shake. Oh, hell yeah. Let's get a bite of this. Wow. I said, oh, that's so damn good. That is the perfect beef rub right there. That Uncle Steve's competition cow powder shake rocks. Hell with your Montreal steak seasonings and all that. This is it. Get it and you will love it. Put it on anything. Boy, I bet you what. Fried eggs in the morning. Boom. Perfect. That is so good. Oh, winner, winner. My steak dinner. Ooh, yeah. Oh. A lot of people be crying. That's a little bit rare. Mm-hmm. 4-minute steak. Oh.